Today we are testing Hi3D, which is the sponsor of this video, an AI 3D platform that turns images and prompts into 3D models, textures, reliefs and print-ready assets. Perfect for creators, 3D artists, makers and print shops who want to move from idea to usable 3D models in just minutes. Let's go in. So first you go on Hi3D.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. You can generate text to image, image to 3D. You have multicolor print, split to print and other features. Let's start with the text to image. You have top models available like Nana Banana 2, Pro, Seedream, GPT. You can upload reference images, a prompt, the size ratio, how many images. You have also a multi-view feature, we come to that in a second. And you have different styles. We just try the first one. We want a treasure chest with dark wood, bronze metal armor and blue crystal lock. And as you can see here, it's just awesome. This was made with Seedream 4.5. We made the same with Nana Banana 2. And as you can see, it's much more detailed. You have some runes, blue light, very nice. Next we tried something different. We have this image of this orange robot and we want to use the uploaded image as it is, just make the orange parts blue. We also enable the multi-view feature and as you already can see here, we have a front, back, left and right view. Exactly what we wanted. He didn't edit anything else except the color we wanted and it's just awesome. The same thing here. We had this original base image of this robot and we wanted a multi-view and he just nailed it. Back, front, left, right. Exactly what we wanted. On the 3D generation feature you can upload your desired image. Also possible with the multi-view for a better 3D generation. You have models like the V2.1 for the fastest in 2-minute generation. Model type could be fast or quality, generate type. And you also can choose the license type. On the advanced features you can also output the face count, how much you want, the texture model and other things. In our case we just use our robot from before, just select from assets, use the front, use the left. We want quality and we just hit generate. And here in the middle is the preview live in your web browser and it's just working great. As you can see, you can rotate your model, you can zoom in, zoom out, just awesome. On the bottom you have different visual designs like just without texture. You can albedo or a normal UV map here. On the bottom you have some features like retry it. You have the split to print, we come to that in a second. Multicolor to print also later. You can just print it here, send it to Bamboo Studio, Creality Print, Snapmaker and more. You can also download it with different formats like Object, FBX and more. And you can also share it. Let's download it with FBX. Hit the download button and let's open it in Blender. And as you can see, amazing. Right here in the Blender Studio with textures included, working great. Just awesome. We did the same with this car here. We had a front and back view and as you can see it's just amazing. The details on each side are just astonishing here. You have real 3D relief here. The texture is just great. Just from a single 2D image into a 3D model, easy as that. At the Stylized Texture you can upload your desired model here and a texture you want. And as you can see, we had this naked chest here, just a gray 3D generation and now a texture map here. We hit generate and he placed the texture map awesome on this model here, right here at the highlights where it has to be used. Very nice. Here we are at the split to print feature. You can upload your desired model here and you can split it in different parts, easy for your further production, like in Blender or for printing. As you can see, we have this 6 parts here of this werewolf. We can hit explode to see the different joints, the different arms, legs, body and head. There's also a transparent features we can look through. Already added the connectors here. As you can see here, this circles here are the connectors for the body to the legs and arms, easier for your post-production in Blender or anywhere else. You can also go to the studio, just hit advanced connector settings for example. Here you have the connection structure where you can add connections from your different parts. We already did that as I said. You can see the different connections here, like locate it and you see the connection. Very handy, very nice, all in your web browser. If you click on add all connectors, you can choose from different connector types like a ball joint, pin or dovetail. You can adjust the scale, the assembly fit, the connection depth, the angle settings are here where you can adjust the rotation. Just amazing. You can rotate your parts for a better view, or you can just use the smart arrangement here. As you can see, he automatically splitted the parts heading upwards, like this one, key faces up. So you have a nice arrangement here for your further production or for printing, to print your single part here. Here we have the werewolf in Blender, and as you can see we have the different parts here. We can move them, we can delete them. It's all there, easy as that. On the right you have the arranged quality, different details like the plate size for printing, the finished size, how much layers. You can send it right to your 3D tool like Bamboo Studio. With these settings here, it has never been easier to print your desired 2D image to a 3D model. On the multicolor print you just upload your desired model and you get a nice overview which colors are used in this model here. As you can see here, there are some colors available. We can now reduce the color count, we can reduce the details a bit, like 3 colors. And as you can see now, we reduce the colors of this model, which is much easier to now print it in 3D. You can also try the FileMan simulation, where you have the PLA basic material types. Nice overview, nice structure. You can also optimize colors, just click on it. While we're waiting, we can change the colors here. Just click on it, use a color, and it's easy to replace with your colors. Now we're in the sculpt mode here for painting. We can now use a paint, use some brushes, we have a eraser, and we just can draw our color on your desired part here of your 3D model. Still all in your web browser, which is just amazing. Hi3D just nail it here. If you liked Hi3D, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.